Sanibonani. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs izosibulala ngokuminisana. There's no way. Ukuthi sizophila kanje alama 1-0. Good news is that played 4 games, won 4 games, scored 4 goals, kept 4 clean sheets. Yeah, kumnandi naturen. All I can say ukuthi hayi sibashanga 1-1. Asiwaqeda amagoli wethu. But let's be honest about our team. Especially resting of theirs missing ama-chances. Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sizozisola because goal difference it is important. Sithanda singathandi. We might be happy for ama-wins, wama-1-0 because we want wins vele. Doesn't matter how we play. But if you don't convert our chances, we'll regret the day sekumele kusetshenziswa ama-calculator. Because if bengasi ukuthi Chiefs ikora 1 bese they protect the lead, ngabe sese number 2, but no, bengese bo number 2. But kwi group yethu ngabe sile phezulu, even though Al Masry neZamalek they still have a game to play, but Kaizer Chiefs, the way they play is going to come back and haunt them. Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi, I'd say beautiful first half, created many chances, quick movement on the ball, progressive football. Even though I was a bit skeptical with one player, Undlovu was off today. His passes were not make sure. But there's one class player. Lebohang my boy. Form is temporary. Class is forever. How cool he is on the ball. He makes things that look difficult seems like they are easy. Ngeke. I don't know if it happened good he scored that goal leli shayipali. Beba ujajani lapana because angazi uRevo ujajeni lapana. But yeah, what a player. Yabo if kuzoba ukuthi you ama free agents esizowathola lawa. Maweze ngobuningi. Let's say first half the game was fluid for Kaizer Chiefs. We could easily move the ball around from one flank to another, from the back to the middle of the park. We could be easy to make those intricate passes, thread the ball through. Flavio Silva could have scored, but he wasn't coming enough lapana. Just nje ulishplaga la goalkeeper buyakhona. You could see ukuthi he was focusing on the movement of the ball. Bekalandela iball. Maka Chiefta ayaka right, lishayeka left lapho yakhona. Could have been easily 2 goals, but I'd say ukuthi even today you see the defense. Defense Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know ukuthi mele i-trainise ama-soldier or amaphoyisa wasemzansi, but yeah, they are very solid. But there's one player that impressed me the most today. Pule Modi Munato Iketeta ran the entire 90 minutes with the same pace, helping out with defense, winning balls, challenging for my aerial balls, challenging for my ground duel, trying to force the Zesco United defenders to focus on him when he attacks, because he could make sure that every time he crosses the center line, he takes on players. He put in some good crosses, made good combinations with Dai, with Flavio Silva, Ndlovu. You could tell that he was feeling this game. A goal could have been a bonus for him, but the performance that he had was very good. That's what makes him Oguti, the coaches, even though if they like, they can't bench him because of the work rate, because of the impact that he has. First half, I'd say Kaizer Chiefs was playing like it was a final, but they dropped the standard second half when they returned. That's why you could see with now we are no longer focusing on attacking, but keeping the defensive solidity, making sure that we keep structure even in the middle of the park. One thing about Chiefs that frustrates Zesco United is that when they press with 3. They form triangles every time when they press, and that's why it forced that error from the right back of iZesco United ukuthi al-intercept uMori, because it was Mori, Vilakazi and Flavio Silva. So that player, ama-options wakhe were limited. That what makes it Chiefs ukuthi even if they lose the ball now, they recover it very quick because of those triangles that they form. And for a team that relies on long balls to try to win games, they couldn't execute their game plan very well, because Makati Ariel was good, Miguel was good, Zita Kuniko was good. It was only those shaky moments whereby they could have scored, especially with that save of Brendan Peterson. Also, the corner where Brendan Peterson tried to apply that ball, but it got that centre back of iZesco United, but he was also up to the task. He made a save again. There was also another chance whereby if they were clinical enough, they could have scored ngawolama long balls, but their game plan revolves around long balls. So if you fight for my second balls, you are making it difficult for them. That's why they couldn't execute their game plan, because defensively we're solid. In the middle of the park, there are moments whereby I thought we were too casual. That's why we could lose our balls and then bafuna ukuspamba nge-counter attack, but now they are not precise in terms of executing a transition here. Kaizer Chiefs, if you're going to allow them to score first, they are making it difficult for you to score them, to equalize. We have to accept it's either we draw 0-0 or we win by 1-0. Because this thing, they will make it a norm now. So it doesn't happen Kaizer Chiefs ikorama goals amaningi. And I don't think it is a plan, because you can see they are missing chances. Akekho umuntu ongathi ufuna ukumixta ngamasibombo. But for them, one thing that works perfectly for them is the defense. It's the shape, the structure that they keep whenever they are not in position of the ball. But on the ball, that's where you need calm minds like Abomaboy, that will allow you ukudlala. There was a moment whereby I thought, what is Zita Kunika doing here? Because one interception, we were doomed. But why telling Amanzi waphuma kula situation? That's what makes it difficult for our opponents forward to play with the Chiefs, because we ask with Mawuya ngopap uzokuthinta ukunika. His dribbling strikers ama-wingers, I don't know ukuthi lo mkhubu uthathiphi, but he's very good. Also aerial, he's a soldier. Miguel, clean. We can't be criticizing him only, but we must make sure to give him credit. There were passes that were dangerous that he was attempting, and they were always successful. I'll touch the ball, I'll double up in the middle of the park. It can't tell Owls, I think 4 or 5 players of iZesco United, and then we start transitioning going forward. That's the thing about us. Transitioning here too, it is not aggressive, it is not intentional. That's why at some point you'd feel like when we take the ball and we cross the center line, you easily give up, because you know there's nothing productive that will come out of that attack. But the good thing is that let's keep on grinding for this result up until we have a clear plan. We understand if they figure out how we play, how things happen, because even Chiefs, they are patient enough. If they don't score first half, second half is clean. But we have to fix that. We must try and convert our chances so that we make things easier for us. Because siyabukela manje umenyile, so ufisa nje ukuthi kungabe ne mistake or bayenzise penalty unnecessary. Even in communication, you can see they are very vocal and they understand each other. Peterson is commanding that defense. He's also instrumental for Kaizer Chiefs. One thing I fix, I think, is distribution. But at short stopping, he's good. Especially this season, he's doing very, very, very good. We have to give him props because he deserves. Our defense, they are very good. So, Mfundo Vilakazi now is playing the kind of football that shows maturity, because you can see from how he links play for the Chiefs. Abo Flavio Silva, time and again they keep on appreciating him because they say that he's good when it comes to reading the game, finding spaces in the pocket whereby which you could locate a striker or a wing. That's why you could say good bathe mabamkhipha bafaka umuntu die. That's why Kaizer Chiefs didn't play as exciting as it was first half, because there was no one that was connecting the dots. Because Umaboy could win the ball, try to give it to Ndlovu, Ndlovu tried to stabilize even though he was off. But the minute it goes to Vilakazi, you knew Uti it's going to be a pass that is going to set Lelepo free, or is going to set Upulemode free, or is going to set Udylan Solomon's free so that you can attack. But ingeno to die, you could see with the confidence namanje Siselo, even though he reached a milestone 100 games for Kaizer Chiefs, but I don't think it was the way he wanted to play, the way adlale ngakhona. He didn't have a good game even as a sub. Buyile AK47, Thula Mtana Mama Connie Volovolo, Gaston Sereno naye, he had an impact. He could have scored because the quality that he is ngale ndlela enze ngayo, but couldn't happen. But one thing I know for a fact, if you have players that are willing runners that can press, because there was a press that he made, hayi ngivele ngamangala nami ukuthi hawo amandla angaka, but you amsebenzela because bamzondela that hard tackling, that high press that he has kuma defenders, because it doesn't give you space and time to relax. So it was a game whereby which we could make a reflection going to the next game against the Stellenbosch. These are the things we have to fix. As the coaches said, they don't have time for our training sessions, but it's all about recovery and doing our video analysis and see where can they fix, and they analyze their opponents, and then